Okay, let me try to put up, I think our problem today is a SHE problem. SHE. S is for social, H is for health, and E is for economy. So on the social front, we are again challenged by one, food, jobs, and at the same time, we are also challenged by power and water. No? Kakulangan natin sa tubig, may power shortage, no? And at the same time, we have issues of education. The last 2.5 years was not good for our young population who is our future. Kailangan bumalik na talaga tayo sa face to face. We need to be able to try to mitigate the circumstances. So maraming problema dyan. So one of them is transport, no? Paano tayo makakapag face to face when we're able to when there is no transportation for the teachers and even for the students who are in the public school, 'di ba? So that's one, no? Second is the health. Kailangan natin paigtingin yung ating healthcare sector, especially with these concerns of new COVID cases na tumataas ulit. We need to be able to address two things: faster vaccination, and at the same time, we need to boost the information, no? Tulad ng program nyo, we should always consider telling the rest of the Philippines na, you know, despite that we're slowly moving into an endemic, we should also put up our guards against this. Plus, we need the government to ensure that universal healthcare will be implemented well. Diba? The third is eventually economic. So, economic is broken down in three things. So, the first is prices, or ito yung tinatawag na inflation. So, dito nakikita na natin yung impact ng, well, all of our problems are basically imported. Number one, as a result of the war, supply chain disruptions, nandyan yung inflation. Number two, the impact of global monetary tightening led by the US is also a problem, not just only in prices, but also it's a challenge in cost of doing business. Number two is job creation. So unemployment rate now is at around 6%. So over the last 2-3 months, we've seen a lot of bus drivers losing their jobs, particularly the provincial buses. So they're over around 26,000 people. And eventually, the last is how do we sustain growth? Diba? So yan ang challenge ng Marcos administration today.